Starting an online business is not hard. I mean, I literally started this online business that you see in my background here in literally like 8 minutes. I literally started an online business in like 8 minutes. And it was so easy to get started that I went on to make money that same day, and actually the next 30 days made several $1,000s. Now, this isn't what you're thinking. This isn't complicated like a lot of the videos you watch on YouTube. Um, maybe you see in Reels or something where you start your own business and you got to do all these different things like set up a website, set up a blog, try to break through SEO, how to scrape leads, do this, do that. This isn't like this. You can literally start an online business in about 8 minutes, literally. And the thing about it is, it's very lucrative and costs you almost nothing. Plus, you need zero experience to do. So, if I was brand spanking new to wanting to make money online, especially now with what I know today, because I've been making money online for over 20 years, that's how I make my living. Would I go do this same type of business? And the answer is absolutely yes, because this business that I'm talking about that I started in literally 8 minutes, I didn't do that today. I did that like a year ago, this particular business. And it's absolutely crushing it and making a ton of residual income or passive income. And we continue to build this business every single day because it is so lucrative when you put forth the effort into, you know, marketing it. And how easy it is to get started in your own online business is like, I mean, I'll leave a link to what we're doing in the description under this video, but this type of business that I'm involved in, I put my name, this is how much time it took. Put my first name in, my last name, my email, my phone number, and I hit take the free tour. I took the free tour. It brought me to a page like this. So that literally was not even 10 seconds to do. And then once on this page, I learned a little bit about the company. I liked it. I was like, well, I'm going to become a member. I'm going to join this turnkey business because I like it. So I clicked on become a member, and I checked here where I lived because business is available to anybody worldwide. I clicked on next, and I literally filled out this information so I could set up my turnkey business, which is just your basic stuff like your first name, last name, email address, phone number, company ID if you have a tax ID if you want to use it. Otherwise, you don't need it because you can be a sole proprietorship, which is just your name, and password, billing address. It's a cost a whopping $49 one-time enrollment and $20 monthly thereafter. Now, that is affordable for anybody to do. We're not talking about setting up autoresponders and setting up all this other stuff like web hosting and knowing how to, put plugins in or do SEO or add in this, that, and the other thing, or, use AI. We're not talking none of that stuff. It's fill out the form. You also get a free product of your choice, a nutritional supplement. So you can check those out on the site. Where I was at, I'll go back there for a sec. So where we were before I clicked on become a member, you can go take a look at all of their products, what they do. GLP Extreme, great weight loss management product. Members love it. Cost you $59. You can get that first bottle totally free. So you're paying for your turnkey business here of $49 and then $20 a month thereafter. And you also get a free $50 product if you choose that product. So what do? You go select it, GLP Extreme or whatever product you choose. Very specialized products that do amazing things for your body. Very beneficial to many aspects of your health. We have a ton of products to choose from that are all specialized. Okay, now you do that. You scroll down to the bottom here. You got your total. See, it never changed because you're paying for your turnkey business. You're not paying for that initial first product. It's on the house. You check these two boxes. Your enroller ID, which is your sponsor, it's called, whoever referred you to this business, and you click on next, and you're off to the races. It's that easy. You just got to put in your payment details, and pretty soon then you'll get an email with the back office, and you can log into it. And literally in under 10 minutes, you'll have a business where you have the same thing that you can do is you can market your lead capture page. It brings leads into your back office of the company, and the company actually follows up with your leads on your behalf. So you don't need to know email marketing or how to set up an autoresponder. The company does that for you. Now, if you got experience and you want to do something like that, that's great. It's only a double bonus that way then. But if you don't, it doesn't matter. You have literally started an online business in less than 10 minutes. You will have a page just like this and a couple more lead capture pages. One for GLP Extreme, by the way, because it's such a great product and such high demand. So you can sell that product separately, or you can enroll customers in any product, because when you go to your link for the main website, right here, I'm going to go back again. And when we're back here, every one of these products all have its own link that you have. I mean, I can click on any one of these and market them separately, because when I do that, it'll render in my top bar here my actual link, and I can take and share that product and sell this product. Or I can build and refer people and get paid commissions off of the team. But literally you can get started today and be making money today and get paid on Friday, because this company pays you every Friday. You are self-employed. You are in your own business. You have become a distributor, affiliate for Great Life Worldwide. You own an independent business because you're not working for the company. They don't pay you by the hour. You have literally signed up and started your own online business for $49, and you did it in less than 10 minutes, and you can start making money today. It's a beautiful thing, and that's why even after 20 years of doing this stuff and selling our own products and services, doing blogging, you name it, affiliate marketing, everything out there we have done. This is one of the easiest ways, is through a turnkey opportunity to get started. And as lucrative as this opportunity is, when you build a team and refer other people through your links, you can make, the sky's the limit at what you can make. The direct selling industry and MLM, network marketing, these types of businesses have produced over 15 million millionaires. Literally. That's the last stat I have seen. That is astronomical, and it's more than almost anything else out there, including corporate businesses and stuff like that. This is huge. Nothing else has ever created the kind of money that these types of businesses can, and for a cost of so little to get started, and the simplicity of getting started without needing any other prior knowledge or experience at all. You literally just share your links, and you have a back office, and it records all your commissions and your downline if you refer people, and then they pay out commissions directly to your bank account, or you can set up mass pay and get paid anywhere around the world based on formats that are particular for that country. Super easy, simple. There is nothing complicated about this. It's just, how much do you want to earn? Are you willing to share your links? Because that's all it is. I don't know why, even in today's age, that people start complicated businesses where it takes them, months to get set up, or, even high ticket. There are high ticket people set up. High ticket is so risky, especially nowadays. Online, there are so many high ticket coaches, marketers, setting up stuff like that where you have no real products and stuff like that. Simplicity in a business, lots of sales, building a team, leverage. You can create a lot more money by doing this than you can do in a lot of other things. So other than that, my friends, if you are looking to start a business and don't want the complexity, you want simple and you want to start making money fast, then check out our link in the description below this video and get started. Other than that, my friends, we'll see you on another video and have a great day.